Morning guys and girls, Mitch the Bushveld here. Today we're doing something a little unusual. I managed to hunt down some entry-level survival equipment. Let's put them through their paces. So the first one that I picked up is a little one-handed fire steel. Cost about 30 Rand. I'll put the US prices up above me. So the premise of it, you can hold it one-handed and it gives you a spark to light a fire. Let's try it out. Well, here's a closer look at it. You can see it's got a nice rubberized handle, little compass on it, which yeah, decoration. There's your ferro rod, and built inside there is a little striker. So the theory is you hold down the striker, you push that down and it strikes the ferro rod. Yeah, I got some cotton wool covered in Vaseline. Let's give this thing a try. There we go. So this little cheapy striker, for 30 Rand, not bad. Definitely effective. You can definitely use it one-handed if you're injured. I give it a 4 out of 5. Main reason being, compass on the side of it, completely useless. Next thing I wanted to have a look at is some replacement bands for a slingshot, or here in South Africa we refer to it as a ketty. Lots of uses. Obviously you can use it to make a makeshift catapult. You can use it as an engine for trapping and snares. The more unusual purpose for it, you can put it on the back of your sunglasses. Keep your sunglasses nice and safe, and you've always got a survival item with you. Hey, the next item that I picked up is one of these survival watches. Cost me about 350 Rand. It's not a G-Shock, but it's got a lot of interesting features on it. Some of them useful, some of them not so much. Let me bring you in closer and we can have a look at all of them. Okay, so this particular watch is the G6 from Exponey. It's got a little compass on the side here, reasonably accurate if you take your time with it. I can always verify it by checking my watch against the sun. I've shown that in another video. It's got a thermometer on this side. At the bottom here, it's got a little built-in LED. Not particularly bright, but it'll do the trick. It's also got a strobe function and an SOS function. On the inside here, you've got a little ferro rod striker, or ferro rod and striker, and there's an interesting little tool in there, which I'll show you in a moment. It's wrapped in paracord. It's not the most high quality of paracords. I'll probably replace that with some of my own. Now inside, the other side of the buckle, we've got a teeny tiny little multi-tool, the little scraper slash knife on this side, and a little bottle opener. The wrenches in that, don't know how useful that'll be. Then inside here as well, we've got another little teeny tiny wrench type device. You've got a rather sharp blade, you could use that for cutting paracord, and a couple of screwdrivers, which I might just grind a little bit flatter so they're a little bit more useful. So once again, I got the cotton wool and Vaseline out. I've taken out the little striker. There we go. One of the stranger features that this watch has got is built into the handle is a little SIM card removal tool. Not quite sure how that's useful in a survival situation, but in a day-to-day EDC, I can see it coming in handy. Last but not least, it's got a little whistle on the side. Pretty loud, could be useful for rescue. Other little fire striker also has a built-in whistle as well. Is it the greatest survival watch out there? by no means. For the price though, I think it's pretty decent quality, and I'd rather have this on me than nothing at all. Yeah, so those are just a couple of items that I picked up that I thought I'd play around with today. Had quite a bit of fun with it. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see me test these in a real world situation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook. Catch you on the next one.